So I get this question asked quite a bit by the agents inside of the company and also outside of the company. That has to do is, how do I increase my productivity? How do I increase the number of production in my business? How do I close more deals? And in many cases, hey, how do I just close one deal every single month consistently so I don't have to stress about the bills? And most of these agents work. Most of these agents, do real estate, not part-time, full-time. My question to them is, and to you, how many hours during that time, during the day, are you actually focusing on the things that will increase your productivity? How many hours a day are you talking to people about real estate? Are you following up with people about real estate? How many hours a day? I'd rather spend 2 hours laser focused on talking to people about real estate than spending 5 or 6 or 7 hours doing different things. Think about it. You don't need to spend 7 hours, 8 hours doing things in real estate, unless of course you have multiple showings and multiple listing appointments or you're holding an open house from morning to evening. You can spend 2 to 3 hours a day. The goal should be for you every single day to have 20 conversations. 20 meaningful conversations a day. You will get most likely 1 or 2 possible nurtures out of it and eventually clients out of it. But that has to be done on a daily basis. With the market where it is right now, this is the time to double down, if not even triple or quadruple down on your efforts. Working your database, marketing your services, and holding open houses. That's got to be done. Because all those 3 things will give you an opportunity on a daily basis to have conversations, to have follow-ups, and build your pipeline. So think about this, guys. It's not about the number of hours you're spending a day working in real estate. It's about the number of hours you're being laser focused on focusing on the things that will increase your productivity and ultimately the number of closings and the money you're going to be able to generate. Hope you're having a good day. Bye.